Narendra Modi inaugurated the 8th edition of Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit in Gandhinagar today, in which he invited global investors to invest in India. He recounted the achievements of the first 2.5 years of his government at the centre in creating job opportunities, bringing about economic reforms and easing the business environment. He pointed out that India has become the 6th largest manufacturing country in the world, up from the 9th largest previously. Prime Minister spoke about India's strengths encapsulated in the 3Ds of democracy, demography and demand, and also said that his government's priority is to ensure an inclusive growth process that embraces both rural and urban communities.
Vibrant Gujarat.
With an aim on making Gujarat one of the largest investment destinations in the world, in 2003, the then Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi had launched Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. Now, as the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi returns to the conference and he invited investors to India from around the world. The PM told investors that the government has raised the level of development in India in the last 2.5 years. He said that despite the economic slowdown in the world economy, India has become the fastest growing economy.
There has been substantial improvement in key microeconomic indicators like GDP growth, inflation, fiscal deficit, current account deficit, as well as foreign investments. India has become the fastest growing major economy in the world. Despite the global slowdown, we have registered excellent growth.
PM said his government is constantly focusing on economic reforms. He said GST, bankruptcy bill and other reforms have put the country on a quick growth path. The PM stressed on policy-based governance and e-governance. He said that India has become a hub of manufacturing.
एक प्रकार से मेक इन इंडिया ये दुनिया की नजरों में भारत को एक इन्वेस्टमेंट का डेस्टिनेशन बना चुका है। भारत में राज्यों के इनिशिएटिव, केंद्र सरकार का सहयोग, ये संयुक्त प्रयास मेक इन इंडिया के लिए बहुत सारे द्वार खोल चुका है और इसलिए मेक इन इंडिया या दुनिया में कहीं पर भी समझाना पड़े ऐसी स्थिति नहीं है.
The Prime Minister stated that the rural poor and farmers are a priority for his government.
कि भारत ऐसा देश है, हम गांव और शहर के बीच संतुलित विकास के पक्ष में हैं. हमारी नीतियों का लाभ गांव और शहर दोनों को समान रूप से मिलना चाहिए और इसलिए हमारी योजना की प्रायोरिटी में भी गांव को भी उतना ही महत्व मिले. हर विकास की यात्रा का अंतिम बेनिफिट गांव गरीब किसान तक पहुंचे, ये हमारा प्रायोरिटी का रहने के कारण सारी नीतियों के केंद्र में उन बातों को हमने बल दिया है.
Many leading businessmen praised the leadership of PM Modi in taking the country forward.
I can only say that Mr. Modi's vision, executed and carried out by future chief ministers, have continued the leadership to make Gujarat one of the leading states in the country.
This is the spirit of Vibrant Gujarat, of a vibrant India under the leadership of our most respected Prime Minister.
The Vibrant Gujarat Summit is the manifestations of the unparalleled vision of our Honorable Prime Minister.
Adani Group promised to invest 49,000 crore rupees in the next 5 years in Gujarat. The Adani Group has invested 48,000 crore rupees in the past 5 years. Adani Ports will invest 16,700 crore rupees in development of ports in the next 5 years. Reliance Industries Chairman Mukesh Ambani said the cumulative investment in Gujarat is 2,40,000 crore rupees and 1,25,000 crore rupees has been invested in the last 4 years. The main theme of the summit is sustained economic and social development. More than 25 lakh crore rupees in investment proposals are expected this year. There are more than 2,500 national and international representatives participating in the 8th Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. More than 2,000 companies from 25 sectors of the economy are taking part. US, Australia, Canada, Denmark, France, Japan, Netherlands, Poland, Singapore, Sweden, UAE and the UK are involved. At this year's Gujarat Global Summit, more than 20,000 agreements are likely to be signed, which are expected to take the state and the country on a new path of development.
Vibrancy of Vibrant Gujarat reached its new peak when the industry captains from all across the globe lauded the efforts and strong leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in one tune. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pitched for campaigns like Make in India, Skill India, Startup India and Digital India. So on the other side, the industry captains also showed their commitments for Invest in India. With camera person Rajesh Riki, Arun Sharma, Doordarshan News, Gandhinagar.